I'm about to show you a $24 Amazon gadget that's gonna help you have a perfectly made bed every single time. You know those hotel luxury beds, those beautiful ones that you see on Pinterest? Yes, I'm gonna help you do that. I have a couple tips and tricks along the way that you're gonna wanna know. Anything I talk about today will be linked in that description box below. It's time to change these sheets. Let's say you have a little stain on your pillow from drooling, I do drool, or from leftover makeup. Just keep one of these in your bedside table like I do here, and then you're gonna go ahead and use your Tide pen to get that stain out, especially if this is not a sheet changing day, and it works every time. Ooh, I found something on the mattress pad cover. Not a problem for my Tide pen. Gone. This is especially helpful if you have a large comforter like my daughter's here. Grab your wad-free 2 in a pack. I'm gonna use this on the fitted sheet and the flat sheet so nothing gets caught in between, such as my white washcloths, and then doesn't dry. Take each corner of your bed sheet and then pop it on through this hole and then pull. Just like that. Woohoo! That's so fun! In order to feel like a king or a queen in your bed, we have to work from the inside out. So make sure that you get yourself a really good mattress protector. If you have any issues with your mattress pad staying on or your fitted sheet, I have some best-selling options that I found on Amazon for you. They are little straps. They do make them at the Dollar Tree. However, I've never actually seen them in store, and I do not really want to buy 24 sets of straps when it comes to putting your sheets on. If you have any stains on your mattress, now is a good time to remove them. I'm going to link a video in the description box below, the easiest and best way to do that. Next, you're going to take some baking soda. We want this baking soda to absorb the odors, much like it does in your refrigerator. We also want it to absorb any of the moisture that is in your mattress. So sprinkle this generously around your mattress. Let it sit for as long as possible, couple hours, overnight, your call. This is also an excellent alternative as a stain remover. It is not just for your carpet. Look at pet accidents, grease, ink, red wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, cosmetics, dirt, grime. Excellent for upholstery. Over 40 years of success. You all rave about this. My friend, I can't believe that I'm going to do this, but we need to test this out. I've been obsessed with these recently. By the way, thumbs up if you can agree with that one. I've eaten all my kids' Halloween candy. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. You wanna bite? That's good. Okay, we're gonna put some chocolate on this very white, bright mattress, and I'm gonna rub this in there. Oh my word! That don't look like chocolate anymore. That looks like a number 2. I think I'm more sad that I wasted the chocolate, but let's let that sit and soak in for a while. All right, Folex, do your thing, honey. Do your thing. It said spray a generous amount, agitate, and then blot. I think that's a generous amount. I'm gonna take my favorite microfiber towels. Time to agitate. Agitate that chocolate stain. Let's just see. Blot, 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 blot. Oh. This might work better than my other little stain removal technique. I don't know, that's pretty dang good. You see that? Look at, oh, there's some chocolate down there or something else. Ooh, that's looking real good. Okay, Folex, I'm getting excited. You and me might be friends. Okay. Dun da da, that's amazing. Okay, what the heck is in here that made that work so well? I'm impressed. Now that the baking soda has sat and done its job, it's time to vacuum it all up. I love this shark. This is amazing. In fact, I might make an entire video dedicated to all the clever and creative ways that I have used this around my house. Thumbs up if you're interested in that, but vacuum up your baking soda. Ah, freshness. Then I like to spray a little bit of this Capri Blue linen spray just to make it a little luxurious. There's also a best-selling one that I found on Amazon that is lavender and chamomile that I will be purchasing as well. Time to wash those sheets and keep them white and bright so that we can have that hotel luxury bed. These items are in need of a little extra whitening, plus these 2 items have already gone through round 1 of my whitening routine, but now they need to get it again because there are still some stains. What you need: hot water in a bucket or a sink like this. Mix in a generous scoop of your Oxy Clean White Revive. This smells so good. Take a whiff. I am obsessed with this. And then you're just gonna stir it up and let it sit for several hours. Meanwhile, I have a load of colors that I need to wash and these dirty shoes of my 2-year-old. So I put some grandma's shoe cleaner on here. Let's see how well they wash up. Into the dryer we go. Just pulled these out of the dryer, and might I say, I am very impressed. Can we pop on a before picture of my toddler's shoes? There's a little browning right here, but overall, these are looking almost brand new. That's been sitting for a couple hours. Time to wash that up. A little OxyClean Wipe Revive in the drum. Now we're gonna go ahead and add my favorite Dollar Tree fabric softener. Now it only comes in small bottles, so I had to buy the big one from Amazon. Then we're gonna go in with some Tide. By the way, Tide ranks one of the top laundry detergents in a study that I watched. Yes, it's a bit more pricey, but if it works better, it kind of pays for itself. And then I'm gonna go in back here and add some bleach. You may be saying, that's very excessive, Andrea Jean. Yes, but it works, my friend. It works every time. I'm going in with some hot water and I'm just doing a quick wash at 26 minutes. As a bonus, my team has created an amazing freebie for you, linked in the description box below. Head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com to access your free printables. Scroll on down for tips to keep your washing machine running like new. Time to put your luxury hotel sheets back on. By the way, that is what they are called. They are #1 bestseller on Amazon with over 240,000 reviews on a set of bed sheets. But my friend, they are comfy and come in a lot of different colors. Now I have a little secret that I like to hide under here. You're gonna take your $24 Amazon Gadget and use it to tuck those sheets in tightly. But wait, my friend, it gets better. If you have a bed skirt or you need to lift your bed up higher, I do highly recommend the Bed Made Easy, especially if you have shoulder issues, if you have arthritis, if you have difficulty lifting the corners, any sort of mobility issues, the Bed Made Easy will certainly help you. If you like those really tight corners as much as I do, here is a little trick. It's called the hospital fold. What you're gonna do is you're going to take your sheets and all your blankets, make sure they're nice and straight, and you're going to fold it in so that you have a little pocket like this, and then you're just going to create a little triangle. Now depending upon what type of blankets that you're working with, it'll be straighter than others, but look at that, that looks pretty tight, yeah? So this is where the Bed Made Ease comes in handy if you need to lift it like so. And then here is the other little trick to make sure it gets in there nice and tight. But look at how amazing this corner looks. Now take your tucker and use it to get it tight around the edges, just like you see online in the beautiful magazines. This is great for protecting your nails or if you are wearing rings or jewelry. I love, love, love this. It just takes your bed making skills to a whole nother level without a lot of effort. You see we have our nice corner over there. Now just time to tuck in the side. And then I like to just slip it right under here for tomorrow. If you're looking for ways to wash your pillows so that they last longer and smell amazing, I will link that video down below for you as well. And if you're not like me and you like to make things look really nice and a little bit over the top, you can go ahead and take my favorite steamer and this little cord hook. Yeah, most time you see that on a mixer, but I like using it here on my steamer. This is great, especially if you have family or friends coming for the holidays. Nothing says welcome to my home more than a very nicely made bed, and the simple trick of getting those wrinkles out is sure to make your home a place they will never forget. If you were coming to stay at my house, you better believe I would be steaming your pillowcases. That looks much better for just a couple minutes of extra time. And if you stayed in my home, you would be leaving with the #1 best-selling plush robe from Amazon. It feels amazing, and my favorite slippers of all time. By the way, excellent gift ideas. 2 quick tips, and then I'm going to show you the sheets with the wad and then those stains and see how well it came out. Do not make your bed first thing in the morning. Let it air out all that moisture from when you slept. You don't want to just cover it up with your hot blankets. It's gonna make your bed smell better when you air it out for about 10-15 minutes. And then I always go in again with the spray that I showed you previously. I don't just use this on my mattress, I use it every single day. I use it on my bed, I use it on my kids' beds, and also a little hint of luxury in your bedroom. The lavender and chamomile one is also great before bed. Time to check our work. Good news, my friend, nothing was tangled inside these sheets because of the wad, and I did a big load of whites here. As a bonus, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fold your fitted sheets. So you are going to face it down, meaning the bottom of the sheet is facing you. Yes, you get what I'm saying with that? You're going to take your two corners, just like this, in the pockets right here. You're going to clasp your hands together, and then you're going to take one hand left or right, it doesn't really matter, and flip that corner around the other one. Here you have two corners, okay? Now I'm just gonna quickly switch hands, boop, boop, boop. I'm putting the corners here in my left hand. Now I'm gonna make my way down the sheet here, and I'm looking for the other two corners. And I'm just doing a little shake here, and by golly, I found them. Here they are. We got all four corners, you see, right here. We're gonna do our hand clap again. Bam, clap them, roll them over. Now I have all four corners right here. Let's lay it on the bed and I'll show you the next step. We got this square thing going on right here. By the way, have you ever paid attention when you have opened a fresh box of sheets? Pay attention, because it's not how we fold our sheets anyway. I tried to redo it. I may make a video on it, but I need to buy a whole new set so that I can see how it was repackaged, but it's quite interesting. I suppose if you buy the #1 best-selling Amazon sheet set, you will know. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold in one side towards the middle, straighten as you go. We're gonna fold in the next side right here, straighten as you go. I like to fold this into thirds, just depending upon how big of a sheet set that you have, but look at how beautifully this is coming along. Look at that, my friend. Yeah! Now if you're like me and you're like, Andrea, I don't like this corner that you did right there, just fold it in, and then you can get yourself a flat side, and then go in from this direction, fold, fold, and then fold, and that way you'll have sharp corners. And if you found this video helpful, please share it out with your friends and family. Now I scoured all of the white things with stains, these washcloths. One of them was real nasty and dirty. Let's see if we can put a screenshot on now so that you can see, but I folded these all, there's no stains there. I went through all of these hand towels that had that blue staining on it, nothing is there. The only thing I could maybe speculate is on this one. There was just a little bit of a darker spot, but not even that. My friend, if you need to whiten something, even after you've already tried whitening it, try the OxiClean bath and everything that I showed you here today. The other thing that I was thinking about is this might actually work really great on shoes. Make sure that you are subscribed with those notification bells turned on so you do not miss that video when I do it. But I have this paint stain here. I'm gonna give this Folex a shot on. Let's just put a little bit more on there for good measure. If you watched my Irish Spring video, I forgot to include the after clip of this shirt getting cleaned, and as you can see here, it is very clean except for those paint stains. So yes, Irish Spring will help remove some stains. If you're interested in seeing all those clever, ingenious ways to use Irish Spring soap from the Dollar Tree, click this video on screen now, or if you're looking for 40+ amazing Amazon gift ideas, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.